Good morning everyone, myself Monica from 6th standard. Today I am discuss about the Asia continent. This is Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. There are 48 countries in Asia.
Asia covers 30% part of the world. Asia has 48 countries such as India, China, Russia. Russia 80% part in Asia and 20% part in Europe.
The highest mountain is Mount Everest, located in Asia, and the Maldives is the smallest country of Asia. Asia was only one continent, share border with two continents, Africa and Europe.
Asia contains the oldest civilization of the world, includes Chinese and Japanese nation. It is the
Hello everyone, my name is Kushi. I explain with Africa continent. Africa is the second largest continent and the second most populous continent. Africa is composed of 54 countries.
It is the only continent which comes in all four hemispheres: northern, southern, eastern, and western. Its largest country is Algeria. The size of African continent is 3 crore 7 lakh square kilometer, and the population of the African continent is approximately 63.4 million.
Also, it is called the hottest continent of world and black continent, and the world's longest river comes flow from the Africa. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Naksha and teach you continents. The first continent of the world is Pangaea. Pangaea is also called supercontinent. The brief history of Pangaea. Pangaea divided into 7 parts. Seven continents is called Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia, Europe.
Good morning everyone. I explain all the continent and its facts. The biggest continent was Asia, and the Asia biggest country was Russia. Russia had 80% part in Asia and 20% part in Europe, and the 40% part of the earth is the Asia, and the largest population country was India is on the Asia. Asia is known as the cultural, educational and the business for Dubai, Mumbai and Tokyo. The second largest continent was Africa. Africa is known as the hottest continent and the dark continent. The biggest country was in Asia, Africa was Algeria, and Africa passes through equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn.
My name is Antik. I read in class 6. I am talking about Australia. Australia is a country and a continent located in the southern hemisphere. Its capital is Canberra, and Sydney is the most popular city. This country is famous for its unique animals such as kangaroo and platypus. The Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Laksh. Today I am representing North America. North America is the third largest continent in the world. It is located in the western and northern hemisphere. The continent includes the large country of Canada, United States and Mexico. The continent was explored by Christopher Columbus in 1492, marking the beginning of a new era, often referred to as the New World. The continent was named after Italian explorer Amerigo Vespucci, who explored the late area in 15th century. Thank you. Seven country Europe. Europe is to the west of Asia and North America. It is 5 continent. It is surrounded by largest of ocean and sea. There are
44th country in Europe.